Hello, and welcome to another episode of Talents at Work. What type of problem would you like to call your landlord to get repaired? A leaky faucet? A non-working appliances? A hole in a wall? There is definitely a problem in your place, but are afraid to call the landlord because of the fear the rent might be raised? There are millions of others in the same predicament. They're afraid to call the landlord because of their rent might be raised. Luckily for you, we are going to show you how to fix a hole in the wall. Several years ago, our toilet tank was leaking water, and we have never taken notice of the possible moisture buildup between the stucco and the wall. A few days ago, we began to notice a bubble formation on the wall. Our first thought was to call the landlord, but since the management company have raised our rent on our unit a few times after minor repairs, we decided to fix this problem ourselves. We are not professional house painter or home improvement personnel. We are just citizens that want to work on do-it-yourself project without telling our landlord. Now that out of the way, the items that you would need are one small putty knife, one medium-sized putty knife, sandpaper or mechanical sander, paintbrush, hair dryer, painter's tape, plaster stucco, and semi-gloss white paint. We have gone to a local Walmart and bought a paintbrush, painter's tape, stucco repair, and sandpaper. We did not buy a putty knife or semi-gloss paint since we had those items left over from another project a few years ago. Step 1. Peel away the damaged wall. Step 2. Dry the area with a hair dryer. Step 3. Put the stucco plaster into the hole.
So here's one coat. I'll let it dry for about 5 hours, then put a second coat, let it dry. Then tomorrow morning, sand it down, and it'll be ready to be painted.
Step 4. Let the area dry for at least 5 hours with the table fan. Step 5. Sand down the excess stucco with a mechanical sander or sandpaper. Step 6. Lay down the painter's tape. Step 7. Paint the wall. Step 8. Let it dry and put another coat of paint if needed. Look at it, folks. For less than $35, we have fixed our hole in the wall and it looks good as new. The best part of this whole ordeal, the landlord doesn't even know. And the $35 investment was a one-time deal and a $50 a month increase on our rent. When a problem arises and you would like to call your landlord, just think if you can fix it yourself or hire someone to do it for you. It may be cost saving in the end if you took care of the problem yourself. We hope you have enjoyed this episode. Please stay tuned for other content appearing on this network in the near future. Till next time, thank you all for watching.